How to disable a Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can disable a Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to disable a Facebook account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application and make sure you're logged in. Now tap the three lines option from here and then tap the gear icon to come to the settings page and then tap on see more in account center. Once you tap on see more in account center, go to the option called personal details and then tap on account ownership and control, and then just tap on the option called deactivation or deletion, and once done you will find this option here known as Facebook here, and all you have to do is select deactivate account, which is going to get selected by default, and then tap on continue, and then make sure to just go ahead and tap on the continue option, and then you should be able to enter the password and finish the changes. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically disable your Facebook account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.